This is what we're working on today. Alright, today I'm changing this seal in a HydroGear ZT-5400 Transaxle. I had this seal left over from doing a different project, and it just happens to be the same seal that's leaking on this one. This is a different mower, so I got to take off the fan and the pulley, and then we should be able to get at it. I think this is going to be a quick fix. Alright, so this is 19 millimeters. Pretty easy. Oh, we gotta take the belt off still. Alright, so I got a ratchet strap hooked to the idler pulley, and we're just gonna take the tension off the belt like that, and then the belt should come off fairly easy. And then I'm going to take the tension back off of the ratchet strap while we do this so I don't stretch the spring out. I got it hooked up like this. I got the strap going through and hooked right there so it pulls in a nice straight line. I got a couple things I want to try before I go to gear puller. I don't think this is gonna work. Let's see. Okay. It's not how I was planning to do it, but it did break loose. These usually come off pretty easy. I've never had one stick like that. Okay. So here's our seal that's leaking. You can see it's been leaking for about a month, and it's getting worse. So boy, oh boy, not good. The housing, the casting here is worn down around the top of this. So this might not be the quick fix I was hoping it was going to be. Is that in focus? Let's see here. Alright, let's get this little snap ring out of the way. Okay, so there's the snap ring, and the seal should come out fairly easy. I got a new one of these. The seal should come out fairly easy. let's get a different tool. Oh, it's coming. Alright, there's the seal. So let's see. I don't like it. I don't like it. I got a feeling this isn't going to go very well. Okay, you know what? It went right in. You gotta get it down below the level for the seat for the snap ring. Which I think we're there. It's not, it's close. It's close. So I can feel that seat for the snap ring. I can feel it from up to about there, and then it's just a little high right here. Still just a little bit. Just trying to get a better look at what's going on here. I think it's the tension of the oil pushing it back up. I got this plug. Let's take this little plug out. Maybe it'll push some of the oil out. This is a half-inch extension. It fits perfect. See, pushing the oil out. Wow, that's what the problem was. It was completely full of oil, and it had nowhere to go. All right. So I think it's seated. Let's see. Yeah, that seated it. You see it push that oil out? That's funny. Alright, now the snap ring should go in. I had this little, there was a hose. This hose runs across here and I had it hooked up. Or I had it unhooked. And I pushed this little plug into the little fitting. So we didn't get a bunch of shit in it. And it worked against us, so let's see. This will go in now. Oops. How's that? Okay. There, it went right in. So, I guess that's it. I mean, we're gonna have to, we can't run it without the pulley on it to see if it's leaking. So I'm gonna put the pulley and the fan and the belt and everything back on. I'm gonna hook the hose back up, and I'm also gonna take it to the car wash and give this thing a good bath. And then tomorrow we'll run this in the field and see if it leaks. I'll let you know.